Hello friends, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English, the best pregnancy centric channel. We have very frequently seen two eclipses. One happened to be a lunar eclipse and it was observed on 5th of June, and the another was solar eclipse and it was observed on 21st of June. And within the 30 days range, here comes the third eclipse, and that would be on 5th July 2020, and it will be a lunar eclipse and it will be visible all throughout the India, some parts of Asia, Europe, Australia and America. It will also be a penumbral lunar eclipse. That means it will not be that much effective, and since it is Upchaya Chandragrahan or the penumbral lunar eclipse, the Sutak time will not be valid. So as the Sutak Kal is not valid, you can go on doing the things as usual. You can start the new work or any auspicious work. You can also worship your deity. It is fine as the Sutak Kal is not there. So friends, let's talk about the timing of this eclipse. So on 5th of July, and that is a Sunday, the starting time of this penumbral lunar eclipse is 8:38 a.m. and the eclipse will finish at 11:21 a.m. So quite in the morning it is happening, so that is not to worry. And also the time duration is also not that much big. It's hardly 2 hours 43 minutes lunar eclipse, and it will come to its strongest power at 9:59 a.m. in the morning. As it's a penumbral lunar eclipse, the effect is very much less. However, pregnant women whose immunity is already very much compromised, they don't have that much of body strength. Also, as per the astrology, their sun signs are very weak at this moment, so they need to have some special precautions and special measures. So let's understand what all precautions and measures a pregnant woman should take to prevent herself and the baby in the womb from lunar eclipse. It is all based on Hindu religion, and it is a matter of religion if you want to take it or if you want to discard it. It is said that it is forbidden to eat or drink during eclipse time. It is also believed that you should not eat or drink. Also, you cannot sleep during the Grahan time. So try to be awake during this time. Engage yourself in other activities. It will be good for you to chant mantras like Mahamrityunjay. During lunar eclipse, you should also worship Lord Shiva. You can also go for chanting of Gayatri mantra. It keeps the ill effect of lunar eclipse at bay. Pregnant women should take care of it that they are not touching any sharp or pointed objects like scissors, knife, pins, or anything that is having sharp edges, because it is said that these things, if touched by a pregnant woman, bring adverse effect on the baby in the womb. To keep the things that are edible or drinkable, you should put tulsi leaves into it so that you can protect them from the bad radiations of lunar eclipse. After the eclipse, the pregnant woman should take bath and sprinkle holy Ganga Jal or the Ganga water everywhere in the house. This will purify the house and will nullify the harmful effect of lunar eclipse radiations. Do not go outside of your home or your office. Make it sure that you are not eating or drinking at this time. If you have to eat something, always make it sure that tulsi leaf has been put into the things before the start of the lunar eclipse. If you take care of the things that I have already told you, it will suffix and you will keep yourself and the baby in the womb protected. So friend, this was all about lunar eclipse and the things you should keep in your mind during pregnancy. Again, I want to say you that it is a matter of religion. Some people may think that this is stupidity going on or whatever I'm talking is complete nonsense. If you feel so, it's all your take and beliefs. However, in case you believe on it, there is no harm in following all these precautions for the safety of the tiny baby in your womb. So friend, this was all about lunar eclipse during pregnancy. Hope you have liked this video. In case you like it, do show the gesture by pressing the like button at the below of the video. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to press the red subscribe button at the below of the video, and also press the bell icon and then select all to get all the notifications from our channel that is based on pregnancy. So guys, let's catch up in another video on pregnancy. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.